Cumberland, Douglas, and Edgar. Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: Clark, Coles, Cumberland, Douglas, and Edgar. Wind advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Wednesday. What? South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. A few gusts may exceed 50 miles per hour wherever isolated showers develop later this evening. Where? Portions of central, east central, and west central Illinois. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. The time is currently